Hello to all my wonderful followers. Just wanted to give a quick update to let you know that we're so close to finishing up our beta testing on the new software update. You guys are going to love this new update. Okay, keep on doing the incredible job that you've all been doing, and I'll keep you posted on things as we make more progress, okay? Peace out, guys. Hi there, I'm Austin Ford, founder and creator of Snapcash Binary. I'm guessing you wound up here because you're tired of working 40 hours a week and making shitty money. Pardon my French. Well, I'm about to change your life forever. What the majority of people don't seem to understand is that there are millions of dollars out there just waiting to be made through incredibly easy trades. Now, you're probably thinking, trading? I don't know the first thing about trading. That's okay. Snapcash Binary has made it so easy for beginners to make more money than you can even begin to imagine. I'll get into how the software works a little bit later, but right now, just look around me. I didn't go to business school or learn finance secrets from Wall Street, guys. I literally sat down one day and decided to teach myself coding. And now, I'm worth over $12 million. What I learned over the course of a year or so is that coding can get you into some weird and fascinating areas of the internet. I'm not exaggerating when I say that I made over $100,000 in one day just by changing one line of code in the software I was building. That's when it hit me. If I can make money this easily, I know that I can make other people money this easily too. And that's how Snapcash Binary came about. I want to show you in this video how easy it is to use Snapcash Binary and truly how rich you can become in just a matter of days. Within just a matter of a week, you can expect to make more than you will make all year. And to prove it, I'm going to find random strangers on the street and get them set up with the software this morning. We'll meet up again at the end of the day to see how much money they made. You won't believe it. So, follow me. My goal today is to find someone who looks like they could use a few extra $1,000, and I don't think I'm going to have much trouble with that. So, excuse me, ma'am. I'm sorry. Can I bother you for a second?
Sure.
Cool. Let me just step over here. Don't worry. Nothing bad's going to happen. Trust me. This is very good.
What's going on?
All right, my name's Austin Ford, and my goal today is to find a few people that would be interested in being test subjects for the day, okay? Now, the point is to show the viewers in this video how easy it is to make thousands of dollars simply by clicking yes or no using a very simple piece of software.
Thousands of dollars today?
Yeah.
What's the catch?
There's no catch. I know, it sounds crazy, but I promise you it will work. All you have to do is download the Snapcash Binary software, and I'll set you up with your own account.
Okay.
Then I'd love if you could meet later tonight to show us your results. So, what do you say? Is it okay if you meet me later tonight to show us how much money you've made?
This seems very bizarre, but I'd obviously like to make thousands of dollars today. So I guess I'm in.
Great. By the way, what was your name?
I'm Sam. Nice to meet you.
Sam, nice to meet you. Okay, so right now I'm just going to set you up with your own account. Can I borrow your phone really quick? Okay. So this is really simple. So essentially when you use Snap Cash Binary, it's essentially like using Snapchat, okay? A potential trade will show up in your feed and you'll have one chance to either accept the trade or deny it, okay? It's only there for a limited time, so if you choose not to accept the trade, it's gone forever. But if you choose to accept the trade, you could potentially be making yourself a lot of money.
So I'm using my own money? I don't have extra cash just laying around to risk into some trading software.
Sam, look, I'm going to personally reimburse you, okay, if you lose any money today. In fact, here's $250, okay? That's just to get you started. Now, I guarantee you that you will take this $250 and turn it into $5,000 today.
This is crazy, but it'll be even crazier if I didn't take your money. So, where do you want to meet tonight?
Well, I'll have you and our next subject meet at this address tonight, okay? It's one of my favorite bars in town, and guess what? Drinks are on me.
Okay, well, I hope it works as well as you say it does.
Sam, your life is about to change forever, okay? Let's finish getting you set up, and then you can be on your way. Hey, buddy! Yeah, can I see you for a second? Over here?
Interested in a mattress?
No, but I am interested in finding someone who's willing to make several $1,000s today.
Yeah, hell yeah. What do I got to do?
Okay. My name's Austin, and I'm the creator of something called Snap Cash Binary, okay? And what I'm doing is I'm looking for people on the street who are willing to use the software, make a bunch of money, and then come back at the end of the day and show them the results. And since I did this for my first test subject, I might as well do it for you. Here you go.
What's this?
That's $250. It's just a startup money for your first trade, okay? Now, I really want you to dig in. I want you to use the software the way it was intended, okay? This ought to make you a few $1,000s today, okay? You have my word. So what do you say? You in?
Yeah. Wow, man, I don't know who you are, but you're my new best friend. Jeff, by the way.
Nice to meet you, Jeff. I'm really happy to meet you, and I'm really happy to have you on board. Can I see your phone?
Yeah.
Great. Okay. Let me get you set up on your phone and show you how easy it is to use the Snap Cash Binary system. Then, at the end of the day, you come to this bar, and the drinks are on me if you show us your results.
What? Free money and drinks? Ah, this is ridiculous.
Jeff, you have no idea how ridiculous this actually is. You're never going to have to spin this sign again.
Yeah.
There it goes.
Dude, I think I love you. Can I hug you?
Of course. All right, so I'm going to get you set up on your phone, and then you can meet me later tonight. Is that cool?
Yeah.
Great.
What?
First, you got to enter in your information here, and this is where you type in your name, okay? And then this is where you type in your bank account information.
Okay.
You definitely want that because the trades are going to be coming through and sending money directly into your bank account today.
Yeah.
Okay. And then once you do that, it's that simple. Yeah. So you're completely set up, and it's all good. Yeah. Are we all right? You going to meet me tonight?
Yeah, absolutely.
Great. Can't wait to see you, buddy.
Man, Austin.
Sweet. Jeff, see you tonight. think we found two perfect people to have show off the software, and I think you guys are going to be absolutely blown away by the results. This kind of opportunity only comes once in a lifetime, so consider yourself incredibly lucky to be here right now. Well, I have to go meet my realtor about a new house I'm buying, but let me catch up with you guys at the bar in a little bit. Before Sam and Jeff show up with their results, I want to explain a bit more about the software and how it really works. See you shortly. Hello again. I can't wait to see how Jeff and Sam did today. And I know you're going to be astounded by how easy it was for them to make so much money. But before they get here, I'd love to explain a bit more about the software and how I developed it to be as successful and easy as it is. Essentially, Snapcash Binary started out as a fun way for me to build my own platform that I could use for personal investment purposes. I was curious about getting into stocks and trading, but I wanted to see if I could code something myself that worked as well as one of those other online trading services. Well, what I ended up finding was that there are exponentially more trading opportunities when you are a lone wolf out on the market instead of going through huge services where everyone uses the same brokers. In other words, the software I developed was looking at the whole picture instead of seeing whatever a bigger service would have only let me see. I wanted to make all of these trading opportunities available to people like you. But I knew so many trades would be overwhelming and confusing to encounter, so I created an easy yes or no option to trade. Simply put, when you're using Snapcash Binary, you will be shown lots of different trading opportunities, and you'll only have a few minutes or so to choose whether or not you want to make the trade. In the past year and a half, our traders have had 96% successful trades. It's nearly impossible to lose money with Snapcash Binary. Oh, hey guys, come on over here. Hey. Well, you guys look pretty excited. I guess it must have worked, huh?
Yeah.
You guys in the mood for a gin and tonic?
Yes.
Sure, thanks.
Two more, please. Well, Sam, why don't you tell us what happened today?
I feel like I'm gonna cry. Today is like one of the best days of my life. This program works so well. I feel like there's a huge weight lifted off of my shoulders.
That is incredible. I'm so happy for you. Do you mind showing the viewers what you made?
Oh, sure. Let me log in. Here you go. There is $6,325 in my account right now. I hardly even had to do anything. It was so easy.
Absolutely incredible. But you know what? I'm not surprised because this works. It just works, and it has since day one. I'm so proud of you, Sam, and I'm so happy and proud that there's another wonderful user on our team.
Thank you so much, Austin. Seriously, from the bottom of my heart.
You are so welcome, and thank you so much for your help.
Thank you.
Thanks, Renee. Okay, Jeff, can we see how you did?
Yeah, man. I don't know if there's some kind of sorcery going on here or what. Man, I need money so bad these days, and this couldn't have come at a better time. I deposited the $250 you gave me, and well, that's what happened.
Wow.
That is absolutely incredible. Do you mind showing the viewers what you made? $5,833.
I didn't really understand what was happening at first. I literally just clicked a couple of trading options and sat back, and this is what happened. I barely did anything.
I know, and you don't have to be any kind of expert or know anything about the market to make money using the Snapcash Binary system. It just works. Congratulations, man. I'm so proud of you. Now you don't have to spin that sign anymore.
Thank you, man. It's truly, you're such a lifesaver.
Oh, well, you know what? There you have it. These two total strangers combined have made over $10,000 today. Okay? and they'd never even heard of this program before using it. That's the message I've been trying to get across to you in this video. This is your one chance to completely change your life and start making the kind of money you've only ever dreamed of. Much like these trading opportunities, this is a limited time offer. When this video is over, you will never get this chance again to be part of the Snap Cash Binary team, so verify your invitation email below. You have to input the email address where you got this special invitation. I have to make sure that you were truly invited to this page. Copies of this software are reserved only for people that have been invited by my friends and business partners. The software is 100% totally free, and all you have to do to get started is verify your invitation email address below. Once you've done that, you'll be taken to the members only page where I'll personally show you the quick, easy steps to start using the software. This is a no-brainer, so quit waiting and start trading now.
No, seriously, guys, I wouldn't lose this chance. I was the sign guy for a mattress store this morning, and I've probably already made more money than you today, so, you should sign up. Sorry, man, I didn't mean to interrupt.
No worries. I love your passion. And you said it. This kind of money is out there just waiting to be made by people like you. So sign up right now and start making it. You have absolutely nothing to lose by signing up. The only thing you have to lose right now is the opportunity to become more wealthy than you have ever thought you'd be in only a matter of days. Submit your email below, and I'll see you on the next page. I trust you'll make the right decision. So I'll see you shortly. Guys, cheers.
Cheers.